Welcome to another interesting tutorial. Let's make this. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this trending footwear. Here are the materials needed: suede leather, leather lining for folding, logo, inner double sole, stitched welt, foreign mark 4, rainbow makuso. Now we start tracing our pattern on the other side of our leather lining. That's our first step. The other side of our lining, not the area that we want to apply our glue. You can see that I duplicate that to get the other side. So that's how you're gonna do it. You have to trace your upper properly. Then try to manage. Once done, then you can cut it off. I mean the area where you draw your pattern on. Now we are about to gum it on our suede leather, but unfortunately I bought this suede leather in pieces. That is why I have to cut it into shape so that it's going to be enough for what I want to use it to do. You can see now, this is the second one. You can just draw a line the way I'm sketching a line, so I can know where my gum will stop. That's the essence of me doing that. After that, you apply your gum. You can start from applying gum on your suede, then later apply gum on your leather lining. But the way I'm doing mine, firstly apply gum on my leather lining, then now my suede leather. You have to be careful when you're applying your gum so that it won't stain the other side of your suede leather. You know that it's not leather. Adibin is normal leather. I mean normal leather, not suede. If gum stain the other side, you can still make use of your kerosene to clean it up. But this is suede leather. It's going to actually disfigure it, and it can damage it as well. Apply your gum on it. Then once it's dry, you can gum it. You can use your hand to smooth it before you hammer it. Gum the second one. Don't forget that I've actually followed my line. I follow my line because I've traced it before. Then you hammer it. Hammer it very well so it can stick together. If you want your work to be neat, I will advise you to calm and cut it with care. You can see the way I'm cutting mine. You can see that I'm following the line when cutting it. You have to follow the line. That's the essence of you drawing the line. Once you are done with that, you can set it. You can see the way it looks. You can set it. You can set it this way. You can set it. Once you are done with that, then you can just apply your gum to those edges, the allowance, the stitching, where the other side wants to overlay. You apply your gum to that area. See, it has to be done. I'm just using my insole to check maybe it looks good. After that, you can now go to your sewing machine and sew it. You can see the way I'm sewing it, because the leather is a bit thicker, so I have to apply my oil so it can go smoothly. I have to apply my oil so it can go smoothly, and else it won't stitch it. So this is how you do it if you are also doing yours. That's why I didn't want to skip any part. I'm showing every part so you can actually understand and get it quickly. You can actually rewatch it. I don't want the video to be too lengthy, that's why I'm doing it this way. So you have to sew it with care. You can see we are done sewing. Then you can cut off the excess thread. Then after that, we want to fix our logo. Fixing our logo is very simple. You placing it on your leather is going to definitely show the area where you are going to perforate. Okay, see the way I want to fix my logo. Place it on that. The way I press it on it has actually shown me where I'm going to perforate. Then you can make use of your puncher to perforate a hole, but I'm using my rolling punch to perforate a hole. Then you remove it and put it on top each other to get the hole for the other side. For the other feet. Then you perforate a hole as well. Perforate a hole and fix it in. Turn it to the other side and lay it. Pin it down. You can put your plier under, then your hammer on top and hit it so it can stick. For our insole, you have to fold it. Don't forget you are only using the inner part of our double sew. Then make sure you apply your excess for your folding allowance. After making use of your marking pen to trace it, then now you have to apply your gum on it. On your both inner insole and your lining. First of all, apply gum on your inner where you trace. Then once you are done with that, then place it on top. Once you are done with that, place it on top this way, then smooth it. Make sure you smooth and re-smooth. So it can lay and sit well. So it can sit properly. Then once you are done with that, you can apply gum on our sides. Then you start folding. Make sure you fold it with care. It must not tangle at all. Once you are done, make use of your blade to cut off the, let me say that, the scrap. If you check one of my video, I actually show you how I make use of my blade to cut it off, but I don't want this video to be too lengthy. That's why I'm doing it this way. Then you trace it out. Now what we want to do now, we want to wet. Don't forget, we want to wet on our Marco 4. Yes, first of all, apply gum on your wets. Don't forget to have traced our line, then apply gum on the outer part of the lines, the outer part of the line that was traced, because that's the area. Then you start from the inner parts. This is not my first time seeing this. You start your wetting from the inner side to the outer side and ends it to the inner part again. We start from our inner part and ends it at our inner part. Make use of your shoe glue, then join it, or let's say that you bond it together, then hammer it, then you cut it into shape. Cut it into shape. Cut it into shape. Then after that, you paste it on our rainbow Marco So. Our rainbow Marco So. Then you trace it again and apply gum to the boat. Apply gum to the boat. Very well, and retouch it as well. Make sure you retouch it so it can stick. Then apply it on it with care and put the second feet on it, then hammer it together and cut it out into shape. Wait, file it. If you are watching it to this extent and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and click on the notification button so you can be notified. Thanks. Now we are to last. Trace the area where you are to file, the way you are seeing it on the screen. Trace it out and file it. You can see we are done filing. Then you apply gum on the both sides of the 2 feet. Then you apply gum on your insole as well. Make sure you apply gum very well, then you start lasting. Just take a look at the way I'm lasting. It's not that hard if you focus on it. I'm done lasting. Then you follow the same process to last the second leg. Then once you are done lasting, you have to fix the 2 feet together. Are they compatible? You can see that the both are compatible. Then you apply gum on the both sides. We didn't need to file it anymore because it is suede. You apply gum on the both sides. Then make sure you retouch it twice. Both your sole and your last insole, or let me say that your lasted insole. Then you apply shoe glue at the edges. Then you match the two together. Make sure you gum it with care. We are done. We are done with our footwear. This is one of the trending footwear. Then you hammer it together. You see the way I gum the upper with the insole. That's how we are going to gum all the sides so it can stick with the upper. These are finishing. You can see the way it looks. You can see the look. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Turn on the notification bell so you can be notified.